Hello, my name is Kristen Clark, and I am the Manager of Digital Collections at Texas Women's University Libraries. In the fall of 2019, TW Libraries set out on a journey to build a digital preservation program for their digital assets, with no prior experience or expertise in the area. Our approach was cross-departmental and included special collections and institutional repository digital assets in the program's scope. We brought together both the Special Collections and University Archives Department and the Digital Strategies and Innovations Department to decide on a dark storage solution that would fulfill both departments' needs, and ultimately chose TDL's Digital Preservation Service. After almost 3 years, we have archived over 73 gigabytes of material in Amazon Glacier and transferred over 600 gigabytes of material from storage media to local servers. I, along with my colleague Adrian Shapiro, created this poster to provide a roadmap of our journey from no server backups to a growing cross-departmental digital preservation program. It includes resources for those who are new and learning about digital preservation, what tools we integrated into our workflows, and plans we have for the future. Thank you so much for your time, and please feel free to reach out with any questions you have.